When we talk about online marketing, we are essentially talking about promoting your business via various channels like social, search, email, display, etc. Today's customers live across these channels, and online marketing is about finding ways to capture your audience's attention across these channels. Internet has transformed the way people interact with product or services today. And with the rise of mobile smartphones, that experience is everywhere. Your customer is in charge of the buying process today. They are armed with resources to research online, compare products, or even ask their peers for recommendation. All this digitally. As a business, you need to stand out throughout the journey a buyer takes. As a marketeer, you need to think of different tactics to stand out throughout the journey that buyer takes. With so many user interaction points today, online marketing can feel overwhelming. To focus on it, here are some 3 mediums that you will primarily be using in online marketing. Paid, earned, owned. Paid mediums are those primarily, simply put, where you will put some money for advertisement. Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, etc. Owned mediums are those which you primarily own. You have full control of your website, your blog, or social media pages. Earned mediums are those where you earn reviews, upvotes, likes, shares from your audiences. All of these channels overlap, just as a user will overlap as they interact with each. These channels form the foundation of online marketing. So at the end of the day, online marketing is about putting your business front and center throughout the journey that your customer takes. Hi, I am Madhura Chaudhary. Learn different digital marketing techniques and how to build a successful online marketing campaign using digital channels like search, social, email, paid with me, with my YouTube channel.